Iceberg Jim back at y'all with another one, and this is the unboxing of the Sandisk Cruzer Glide 3.0 USB 3.0. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Sandisk Cruzer Glide. The Cruzer Glide is attached to a billboard. You see me? No, you don't. You see me? No, you don't. You see me? No, you don't. This is a lot of packaging. Now, I'm no tree hugger, but come on. Do you really need it? Do you really need a flash drive attached to a billboard? I think not. I mean, really that desperate for advertisement? Because I ordered this from Amazon. Now, I'm not sure where the seller at Amazon got it from. I don't know if all the SanDisk thumb drives come like this, or it's like this at the store. Because I really haven't bought electronics from a store this decade, I think. TVs, online. Laptops, computers, cell phones, online. So I don't know. But I mean, I guess this would definitely stand out. And maybe this was from like a wholesale kind of place. Costco's, BJ's, Sam's Club kind of thing. And on that back, they tell you this is not the actual size. Just in case you see this first. So it's not the actual size. Because they want to make sure that you know. Because it comes with something this big. But this definitely stands out. You see me? No, you don't. So let me go ahead and unbox this. It looks like you can, some kind of indentation that you can press into it to kind of open it up. Sounds like it moves or it cricks. Maybe you can't. Sure, it sounds like it. I thought to press the back and get this open. Guess I'm gonna have to use some keys, scissors, or a knife. And since I have keys close by, I'll go ahead and open it up with keys. See if I can press down into this. So I'll open some keys. Maybe I need to get a better key. I'm sure there's some kind of instructions. Maybe I'll do it from this side. I don't know. I'm sure there's some kind of instruction, even though I know I'm not going to need instructions for this. But there could be some kind of paperwork, maybe even some warranty information. And that's always good in case this flash drive fails. So actually I really didn't need the keys to open it. Just kind of got my hand under this. I'm gonna crack it open. I assumed there was going to be paperwork inside of this. But no, that's it. That's all she wrote. You don't even get paper inside as it relates to warranty information. It says 2-year warranty on the package. So I mean, I guess I'm gonna have to keep this billboard around. It says 2-year warranty on the package. Oh, okay. It's retractable. And I guess people would like to see what's the actual amount of storage on this thumb drive. So I'm gonna plug it in. Plug it into my MacBook that I got used, a 2010 MacBook. I wanted a child Mac. I got it probably about a month or so ago. Has a few blemishes on the LEDs, well, a few blemishes on the screen. But I brought a replacement one from iFixit, and I just need to go ahead and install that. So I'm gonna go Control click. I'm still new to Mac. Get info. I'm used to Windows where it pops up and it'll show me how much is on it. But yeah, it says capacity is 249.58 gigabytes, available to 49.57. So it's pretty close. Let me flip the around. So there you have it. It says created December 31st, 1979. Is that when Sandisk actually was created? It came out? I don't know. But yeah, that packaging, I tell you, that's crazy. Everybody knows what Sandisk is since the 1999 when they started making those micro or SD cards for digital cameras, and then eventually used for cell phones. So they're a well-known brand. But hey, advertisement is advertisement. But that's the unboxing of the Glide. What's it? The Cruzer Glide 3.0. There you have it. Iceberg Gym out. Deuces.